How to guide 16 types of writing skills and how to learn them. The most important reason to improve your writing skills in English is that almost all business tasks are now implemented through emails, messenger applications, and workplace apps like Slack, making business writing and written communication skills essential soft skills in today's world of work. The importance of writing skills in the workplace cannot be overlooked, and if you want to get paid to write and find high-paying freelance writing gigs, you need to work on cultivating the best writing skills in your niche. AI-generated content is the future of writing. This form of writing has become much easier and more intuitive with AI copywriting tools that are now widely being adopted by content writing agencies and digital content creators. As a professional writer, you will be expected to have AI writing as one of the skills for content writer resumes. These AI copywriting courses will help you learn the art of writing AI content. Whether you want to use writing for well-being, earning money, or just need to get your message across clearly and in a non-ambiguous way, you need to learn writing skills. This list of writing skills includes the different types of writing styles to learn and the different types of writing skills you may want to cultivate, depending on your career goals and the kind of work you do. You'll also find suggestions for writing classes, books on how to write better, and ways to improve your writing skills.